What's going on YouTube? Ty back with another video of the day, or fourth video of the day. I'm cranking out content like crazy, so subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, share the video. If you're into keto, and I'm into keto off and on, but I stay low carb as I can. And this is one of the new products I bought. It's called Keto BisKeto. Low carb almond cookies, sugar free, paleo friendly. Get 12 cookies in here. This was about $14, and one of the bad things about keto cookies is they're so damn high. You get a 10-pack cookies for like $15. I mean, pack of Oreos is like $3. So that's the one negative thing about keto cookies, because they're expensive. If you buy 2 boxes, you can spend $30. That's a lot of money. So, but it's all about taste. So let's see what's inside this thing. Do a real quick video. So these are the cookies, and you see they're already crumpled up already. You see they're very easy to break. They're very, I mean, it's not, it's just this one. So reading the back of this thing here, it has, let's see, the ingredients on the back of almond flour, butter, leaf myrtle, eggs, dark chocolate unsweetened, organic butter, stevia, coconut flour, vegetable, sea salt, baking soda. So, and here's the stats. So it's served as 2 cookies. You see the total carb is 15 carbs, but it's 3 fiber, making it 11. Sugar alcohols is 6, so is what, 5? So there's 5 net carbs. So I guess each cookie contains 2.5 carbs. I was right, 5 carbs. 14. Check the fiber. Sugar houses 5 carbs per 2 cookies. Okay, so it's 5 carbs per 2 cookies, and this flavor is chocolate chip. Chocolate chip. All right. So let's try one of these, and let's see. And you see they're easily broken. I mean, they're very soft. I can probably break this just by shaking it. It's very loose. It's breaking up already. So let's try this out. I mean, it looks good. It looks like a cookie. Like I can see it's moving a little bit. Yeah, see, it broke. So it's easy to break. So let's try this out. It's very dry. It's the texture is so thin. It's very, let's try some more. Hold on. It's easy breaking up already. I mean, it's breaking up. I haven't touched it. These are a little bit harder, but it's already breaking up, as you can see here. So they're not bad, but the texture is not what I'm accustomed to. They break easy. It's not super sweet neither. They're not sweet. I mean, it's sweet enough, but not that sweet. So it's not bad. Almost done with them. Okay. So what I think. It's not bad. They're okay. Cookies are small. They're not big. They're small. They're small. They're not big. They're good for a snack. It's not bad. They're good. They're good. the best? No. I think Quest is a little bit better. You get more cookie, and it's more solid. You know. They're not bad. They're good. Will I buy this again? I'm not sure. Because you don't get to. Oh, the camera fell. Dang. Well, hold it like this for now. Will I buy this again? So that was 1 pack, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you get 6 packs of 2. I mean, if you eat 1 pack a day, it'll last you a week. But it's only 2 small cookies for $14. When Quest, I mean, you get 4 packs for $8, but I mean, all keto cookies are high. It's based on taste and how much you get. I mean, granted, you get a lot more packs of cookies in here. They're not bad. I like them. They're not bad. But I don't know. 1 out of 10, I give it like a 6. I'm at 7 because it wasn't that sweet. It fell apart real easy. The texture was not I'm used to because the texture was like really, really thin. I can't really pronounce it. I really can't put my finger on it. But it wasn't bad. If you want to pick these up, excuse me, if you pick these up, I have a link from Amazon below. It'll take you straight to it. They're not bad, but I mean, if I eat one of these after I eat dinner to have that extra sweetness, you know what I'm saying? It's keto friendly. And then if you eat one of these a day with dinner, that'll be fine. And it'll last you a long time because there's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 packs in here of cookies. So 7 packs of cookies in here. No, I'm sorry, 6 packs of cookies in here. So it'll last you 6 days, almost a week. If you eat 1 pack a day with your dinner, it will tie you over for the sweetness. Cause I eat dinner, I kind of want something sweet, and it will like this wouldn't heal it. This will hit the spot for me. But the texture wasn't all that great. It was okay. For $14, not bad. You're getting 6 packs of cookies, 2 each. But all around, I liked it. It's okay. 1 out of 10, I give it a 6. 1 out of 5, I give it a 3. So that's it. My review of the BisKeto, sugar-free keto paleo. If you want to pick this up, I have a link below the description below the video. You can pick it up. And thanks for watching my video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. And like the video, share the video, and I'll see you next time.